Mm-hmm.
Yay! Y'all, I am so excited that Beck Power is here with us. And I just met this woman last month, maybe 2 months ago. I don't know. We were in a group coaching call and she blew my mind. And so I hired her. Her and her team are really helping me with my social media. And I know she's going to have lots of great things to teach you and to show you about how you can find more houses, talk to more sellers, get in front of more people, and not be sleazy and slimy about it on social media, but how to entertain people and educate them and get them hopping in your DMs. So I'm super excited about this. I learn something every time I listen to this woman. So y'all, please get ready, take lots of notes. This is going to be absolutely phenomenal. All right, Beck, you ready?
Yes, I'm so ready. Let's do this. All right, I'm going to share this. I got some slides that I've prepared. All right, let's go.
Uh-oh. You don't have a ticket to She Buys It Live, so you can't see the rest of that video until you get a ticket. We're going to be together October 28th through the 30th online, sharing all sorts of goodies so that you can get started as a real estate investor, but also so you can upgrade, up-level, update your real estate portfolio. So go to SheBuysItLive.com right now and get a ticket to She Buys It Live. Don't forget to upgrade your ticket at checkout to include all of the recordings. See you at She Buys It Live. Remember, we're virtual on Zoom.